So, the next part of this is next part of this demonstrate just a little bit of my work that I do. So, here I'm doing my own stuff, basically teaching myself a few little things here. Basically broke everything down into degrees and whatnot. This is where it really comes into play. This is really where it comes into play. And I get a little backwards on it, but I haven't worked on it a little bit. Anyways, so what's happening here is, okay, so we established this. By the way, the cube is six-sided also. That's what it comes down to. It's six-sided. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not confused, right? But all right. What's the most perfect shape? What's the most perfect shape? It's a circle, a sphere, in three-dimensional form. That's why the flat Earth is so preposterous. Especially because they'll also say that things are buoyant. If things are buoyant, if it's a fluid universe, which let me just stay focused on one thing. But equal pressure. That's why things form spheres in the natural world, and that's why they, it said that Jesus is everywhere, as I said, Marian, science, religion, nature, this theory of everything. So Jesus is all around us, a sphere. That's why bubbles are round. That's why hail is round. That's why stones that roll, they become rounded. Planets are round. It's just the way it goes. So with that being said, we're gonna go to an extreme here, or we're gonna just go right into the theory, and this is where that gets confusing, and so this is gonna be a multi-part thing here. So essentially, let's actually just start off with the equation first. So 1, let's call that plus 1, minus 1 equals 0. That's the theory of everything. Why is that the theory of everything? Alright, let me actually just go through and explain it. So, man, God, Jesus, right? Because the only way to get to God is through Jesus and all that good stuff, right? And Jesus is made both man and God. Well, then at the same time we have a round. Zero is two-dimensional form of a sphere. Turn into 3D, we got ourselves a little bubble then. And so that's where it comes into everything, right? So we got hot, cold, warm, right? We got hot, got, there's a million of them. I should have done my everything. But, we can go gas, solid, liquid, right? We can do something like that. Basically, what we have here is the equation for everything. We have the unity of the duality, which makes the Holy Trinity. That's what this comes down to. And let's see. Yeah, that's good. I'll come up on a later point and stuff. But as I said, I forgot countless things. Just on a two-dimensional form, or because we just got our X and Y. So just -1 on that scale, +1, right? And well, that's the thing, is we got this, universe, right? We got this barrier between us. And that's the thing, God created man in his image. Well, the only way being that I'm physically here, that's why I put positive stuff for man, whatnot, and use a -1 for Jesus, or for God. But going up to the XY axis, well, it's what we got there. 0 rests on the cross, right? Jesus died on the cross. See where I'm going with this? And at the same time, we're building, an arch and whatnot. Okay, so my thing's the law. But we got, equal pressure on this side and equal pressure on this side. And the thing is, what the transfer point is the keystone right here. And that's the whole thing, is with the XY axis, we're able to come up with blueprints and whatnot. Trust me, I know what I'm talking about. Because this is just the beginning. This turns into this, and it turns into this. We'll get to that point here soon, but so this is part 2. So real quick, so we got carbon-based life forms, which is 666, neutrons, protons, electrons. That's carbon. Platonic solid is square for Earth. It's a cube, I should say. Flattening out the cube, we got ourselves a cross. The equation, which sums up everything, is man, or God, Jesus, +1 -1 equals 0. You got man, God, Jesus. Hot, cold, warm. High, low, medium. Gas, solid, liquid. The unity of the duality, which makes the Holy Trinity. We got the XY axis. We got -1 here, we got +1 there, just because you're using the X scale, linear scale. And, well, Jesus is right on the center because he's 0. And rests right on the cross.